not just a crime, but it's a pattern. It doesn't always happen by accident, and it's not just about the greed. There is a psychological formula behind it, which is known as the fraud triangle. And this model depicts how ordinary people like employees, executives, or even top leaders end up committing fraud. Let's break it down. Every fraud starts with pressure. And it's not just the normal pressure, but it's that intense personal and financial pressure. For an example, a struggling employee might be drowning in debt. A CEO of a company might be in pressure to meet its unrealistic targets. In the same way, a business owner might be desperate to cover its losses. So you see, the pressure does not just whisper, it screams. And when people feel cornered, they start looking for alternative escape, even if it means bending the rules. But the pressure alone does not lead to fraud. There must be an opportunity. Opportunity are the loopholes that makes the fraud possible. Some examples of them could be weak internal control system of an organization, poor oversight, or more trust towards its employees. So, you see, the easier it is to commit fraud without getting caught, the more tempting it becomes. And when people see an open door, some walk through it. Now, here is the most dangerous part, rationalization. This is the process of justifying one's own actions even if they know that they're wrong. So the fraudsters here may make excuses like, the company makes millions, so no one will notice. I deserve this. I've worked hard. I'm just borrowing it. I'll put it back. So once someone justifies their smallest misconduct, it becomes very easy to commit larger frauds. This is how a minor dishonesty may turn out into massive corporate frauds. So, how do we stop fraud? It's simple, by breaking the triangle. First of all, you got to reduce the pressure. So you can do this by paying the employees fairly, or setting realistic targets, and supporting ethical decision making. Second, you should remove the opportunities. This can be done by strengthening internal controls and audit and monitoring systems, as well as making strict rules and regulations. Third, and the most important, stop rationalizing. Build a strong ethical cultures where dishonesty has real consequences. Thank you.